While Twitter does offer an advertising platform called Twitter Ads Manager, it's important to note that the primary purpose of Twitter Ads is to promote businesses, products, or services. However, there are a few indirect ways you can potentially make money online using Twitter Ads Manager. Promote your own products or services. If you have your own business or offer products or services, you can use Twitter Ads Manager to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your website or landing pages. By targeting relevant users and optimizing your ad campaigns, you can increase visibility, generate leads, and potentially increase sales. Affiliate marketing. You can leverage Twitter Ads Manager to promote affiliate products or services. Identify affiliate programs that align with your audience's interests and create engaging ad campaigns that encourage clicks and conversions. When someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Sponsored tweets. If you have a large and engaged following on Twitter, you may have opportunities to collaborate with brands for sponsored tweets. Brands may pay you to promote their products or services to your audience. Twitter Ads Manager can help you boost the reach and visibility of sponsored tweets, thereby increasing your earning potential. Social media management services. If you have expertise in managing social media campaigns, including Twitter Ads, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals. Use Twitter Ads Manager to showcase your skills and knowledge in running effective Twitter ad campaigns. You can target potential clients who may be interested in outsourcing their social media management. Consulting or coaching services. If you have extensive knowledge and experience in using Twitter Ads Manager, you can offer consulting or coaching services to businesses or individuals looking to improve their Twitter advertising strategies. Use Twitter Ads Manager to target potential clients who may benefit from your expertise. Remember to adhere to Twitter's advertising policies and guidelines, and ensure that any promotions or sponsored content are disclosed appropriately. It's important to have a clear understanding of your audience, optimize your campaigns, and continuously analyze and refine your strategies to maximize the effectiveness of Twitter Ads Manager in helping you make money online.